I've just had a sneak peek at the Asus Zenfone 5Z.
Zenfone 5Z.
Zenfone 5Z.
Asus has created a great design this time around.
It has dual camera at the back and it gives you a nice bokeh effect when you take the photos. Front camera is also good.
Well, I definitely like the camera and the fact that it has like a flagship level processor, and it is touting a lot of AI features which I believe are more or less some sort of a smart feature, but yes, they're useful at the end of the day, so I would definitely like to take them out for a spin.
Nowadays, almost every other handset brand is talking about AI in phones. So they are actually using AI in a much better way as compared to the other handsets right now.
I really like the charging AI that has been incorporated into the phone. I mean, it senses when you're not using the phone and it restricts the charging up to a certain amount, which is pretty smart for a phone of this capability.
The AI capabilities of the phones are fantastic. This is something that this is something like one notch above the other smartphones in the same segment. The AI capabilities are pretty decent to this phone, and I really love that.
And the other thing that I like about the 5Z is definitely its display. Despite the fact that it's not an AMOLED screen and it's an LCD, super LCD panel, it pops out, it actually stands out, and the moment you use it, you realize that the 5Z actually has a display that is flagship grade.
And inside the box, we are getting a back cover and an earphones, which most of the other brands are not offering.
Quite interested in how the device shapes up to be, so yeah, I'm very much interested in using the device.